Day.
Star Wars Day? It's not May the 4th.
But we're making BB8 Mochis. BB8, 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 BB8.
In case you hadn't noticed, we have some big droid fans here. What do we need for our BB8 Mochis?
Cornstarch, water, sugar,
Rice flour,
and your favorite ice cream. Ice cream!
Let's get started.
Yeah! Line an egg carton with plastic wrap and scoop your ice cream.
Or in this case, sherbet, because, well, BB8. Once you've lined your egg carton, go ahead and put these in the freezer for about half an hour until they're set.
Mix together 1 cup of rice flour and a 1/4 cup of sugar.
Once it's fully mixed together, we're going to add
1 cup of water.
All right. Mix it all together. It's going to get a little sticky. Try to get out all the lumps and bumps. And once you have it nice and smooth, go ahead and microwave it for 1 minute.
Ooh.
Scrape down the sides and then mix. Now microwave for another minute. Mix again, this time with a spatula. It's getting sticky now.
It's getting real sticky.
Once you've mixed, microwave again for 30 seconds.
Mix again. That's so sticky.
It is so sticky.
So sticky.
You're going to use cornstarch to help with how sticky this mixture is. So you will cornstarch your rolling pin, cornstarch your still flat, and cornstarch on top of the mixture. You cannot use enough cornstarch. Go ahead and cornstarch that. Roll it out about 1/4 inch thick and then put it in your refrigerator for half an hour to harden. Then make a circle. Dust the extra cornstarch off of your dough. Grab a ball of ice cream. Place it right in the center of your dough. You have to work fast because your ice cream will start to melt. Then gather the edges of your dough up towards the bottom. Place inside a plastic wrap. Gather the edges and twist. Once your mochi are frozen, use a food grade marker to decorate. What do you guys think? Do they look like BB8?
Yeah. Now I get to be my favorite character. Yay!
But first,
hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.
These are delicious.
So good.
We're gonna enjoy ours. Let us know if you make them too and if you enjoy them. Bye.
BB8
R2D2. R2D2.
Hello. Hello. I don't think anyone's there.
But first, use a food grade marker to decorate.